Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm very happy and excited to introduce you the unboxing of this Dell XPS 15 laptop. Okay, the model I'm going to unbox is the model of 7590 with the Intel i7 9750H processor, mated with 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage. It comes with the 15.6 inch of Full HD screen with GeForce GTX 1650 with 4GB of video RAM. Okay, this is a dedicated video card. So I'm going to unbox this Dell XPS. Okay, before that, let's open up this one. This is the backpack. Okay, let's see what it offers. Okay, apparently the laptop which I ordered, it comes with the Dell backpack. Okay, as you can see, Dell logo. Okay, this is the outside compartment, and okay, inside the compartment. One, another one. Okay, this is the compartment inside, which you can put the laptop and whatever. Okay, and it's very solid. Okay, nice feeling. Okay, not bad for a backpack. Okay, without further ado, let's go straight into the unboxing of the real thing. Okay, after the unboxing, I will get the time to show you the benchmark as well. It's quite hard. Okay. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is the USB pin. This is the AC adapter. Okay, it's a 130 watt. Okay, and of course the actual unit. Okay, basically it's a very simple box. Okay, there's a latch here. Let's pull. Okay, before that, let's see what's inside. Okay, these are the manual. Okay, XPS 15. Okay, instruction on how to set up, how to connect. Okay, this is the thing I'm talking about. Dell XPS 15. Wow, I think, yeah, packing is not so can you see the dot? There's a stone or small stone or dust collected in between the package and the laptop itself. Okay, so here also you can see a dot marking here. Not sure what happens to this. Okay, but this shouldn't be happening. I mean, during the let's just open it. This is the model. As you can see just now, the marking from dust. Okay, it's a metal surface. Chassis is in metal. Okay, as you can see, the XPS logo here. Okay, it's the ventilation for the fan right here. Okay, these are the ports, USB 3, and this is the card reader. Any other ports? Okay. AC in, USB port, HDMI port. Okay. Okay, and this is the Thunderbolt port. Okay, this headphone jack. Okay. Let's open. Okay, let me zoom in.
2,000 years later.
Okay, I have just connected the AC adapter to the laptop itself. Okay, let's turn on the laptop and see what's on the screen. Let me zoom the keyboard for you. Okay, as you can see, well, the keyboard is quite nice, very nice to type. Okay, also the mousepad, very smooth. Okay, and a big surface. Okay, about the screen. Okay, so as you probably know that the past XPS model, okay, their webcam is placed underneath. Okay, for now they have introduced you new design, okay, on top of the screen. That's good, because otherwise during your video conferencing you'll be showing off your nostril. Okay, so without further ado, let's turn on. Okay, once you turn on, the keyboard is backlit. Still okay.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to Malaysia. Is that right?
Yes. Yes. Oh, not bad.
Your keyboard is set to United States International. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Okay, let me
How about
connect.
the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Yes.
Now type your credentials.
Can I just say it? Okay, never mind. Let me type in my credential, the network security key.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
Next.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Well, it's downloading latest updates. So-called some important setup. Rebooted. It's almost 5 minutes since I turned on just now. Well, no matter how, we need to accept. Okay, hold on a second, let me create.
2,000 years later.
Okay, after all these steps, now we are just waiting for the final moment. Okay, welcome to the new version of Windows. Okay, this is the latest version of Windows 10. Okay, where's the mic? Okay, let's show you the spec. Okay, as you can see, Intel Core i7 9750. Okay. 2.6 GHz CPU, 16 gig of RAM. Okay, 64-bit of Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 Home. Okay, let's see what's inside this software. Okay, Dell software. Okay, Adobe Vision, pre-installed Office applications. Okay, Intel. What did I do? Okay, sorry. Oh, okay, it prompts up for the Dell support. Okay, it's a complimentary McAfee security subscription. Okay, NVIDIA, blah blah blah, all the default apps installed. Okay, it's pretty simple, nothing significant. Okay, now we just need to register this Dell XPS 15. Okay, let me give you a quick look. The charging cable, once you turn on, there will be a LED light. Okay, so that you know it's turned on. Okay, and use the keyboard layout for you a nearer look. Okay, that's all guys. I'll show the benchmark if time allows. Thank you for your view. Click on the subscribe button and drop me any comment. Okay, thank you, see you, bye.